Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, today I am going to explain exercise number 6. Look all of you, exercise number 6. Iqra'il amsila. Iqra means read and amsila means examples. Look all of you, here given 3 examples: alif, ba, jim. How many 3 are there? First is iqra'il amsila, read the examples. Summa means then. Uktub al jumal al atiya. Uktub means write, al jumal al atiya, following sentences, musta'milan. Musta'milan means by using fi'l al-ta'ajjubi. Fi'l ta'ajjub. Fi'l ta'ajjub means verb of wonder. Verb of wonder. Verb of wonder. Arabic name is fi'l ta'ajjub. For example, how easy this lesson is. How beautiful this boy is. Okay? How big this house is. These sentences are verb of wonder. Verb of wonder, which is called in Arabic fi'l ta'ajjub. How you change simple sentences into fi'l ta'ajjub? First of all, look at example. Alif, hazar rajulu tawilun. Hazar rajulu tawilun. This is simple sentence. This man is tall. This man is tall. If you want to say how tall this man is, how tall this man is. Look all of you, in this sentence, haza is isme ishara, ar-rajul is musharun ilay, tawilun is adjective. Tawilun is adjective. Okay? All adjective words, if you want to make fi'l ta'ajjub sentence, first of all look at adjective word. Look at adjective words, and adjective words change into pattern of af'ala. Pattern of af'ala. Suppose here tawilun, and look all of you here atwala. Atwala is pattern of af'ala. Kabirun, akbara, pattern of af'ala. Akbara. Jamilatun, ajmala. Ajmala. The first of all, look at adjective words in the sentence, and adjective words change into pattern of af'ala, like atwala, akbara, ajmala. Okay? Second thing is, before adjective words use all of you ma. Before adjective words, suppose you have changed tawilun into atwala, and atwala before use all of you ma. Tawilun, ma atwala. Tawilun change into ma atwala, and then first noun add here in second place. Ma atwala hazar rajula. How tall this man is. how tall this man is. Okay. Look all of you. First one, hazar rajulu tawilun ma atwala hazar rajul. Adjective word is here tawilun. Tawilun change into atwala. Before adjective words use all of you ma atwala, and then first noun here write in second place. After ma atwala, after ma akbara, after ma ajmala. Okay. Hazar rajulu tawilun ma atwala hazar rajul. How tall this man is. Second is hazal baitu kabirun ma akbara hazal bait. How big this house is. Hazihi sayyaratu jamilatun ma ajmala hazihi sayyarata. Keep in your mind two, three things. First of all, in simple sentence, search all of you which word is adjective. After finding adjective words, change into a pattern of af'ala, like tawilun atwala, kabirun akbara, jamilatun ajmala. Before adjective words use all of you ma atwala, ma akbara, ma ajmala, and then write all of you first noun hazar rajul and hazal bait and students, connectivity problem is there. Networking issue. Students, connectivity, network issue, continue going on. Hazihi sayyaratu jamilatun ma ajmala. I am audible? I think that ma ajmala hazar rajul. Okay. I hope you have understood it well. How to simple sentence change into a verb of wonder sentences. Simple sentence change into fe'l ta'ajjub sentence. Look all of you here given. Exercise number 6, sentence number 1. Hazal ma'u baridun. In this sentence, baridun is adjective. Baridun is adjective. Baridun change into abrada. Pattern of af'ala. Pattern of af'ala. Before abrada use all of you ma abrada, and then first noun use into second place. Ma abrada hazal ma'a. Ma abrada hazal ma'a. Ma abrada hazal ma'a. Ma abrada hazal ma'a. मा अबरद हाजल मा। हेलो, connectivity problem, net issue is there. Continue going on. Students, now I think that I am audible. Connectivity problem is there. Network not working proper today. Okay. Yes, students. Right, all of you. Look at the board. First sentence. This is exercise number 6. अरे अल्लाह, बिल्कुल पढ़ाने दे ही नहीं रहा, क्या बता। अपना पर्सनल नेट यूज़ करने के बाद ये हाल है। बार बार चला जा रहा है, बार बार चला जा रहा है, क्या पढ़ाएगा। यहाँ वाईफाई ऐसा है कि वाईफाई भी काम नहीं कर रहा हैं। इतना लंबा लंबा फेंकता हो जिसका हिसाब नहीं। नेटवर्क इशू स्टूडेंट। Hello. Today very disturbing class. Now students, I think that I am audible now. Yes. Now students, write all of you this exercise in your book. Already a space is there. Sentence number 1. Sentence number 1 is Ma abrada. Ma abrada. And then write all of you. First noun hazal ma'a. Hazal ma'a. Ma abrada hazal ma'a. Second is an nujumu jamilatun. Jamilatun, what is adjective? Jamilatun, change into pattern of af'ala. Jamilatun ajmala. And before ajmala, use all of you ma. Ma ajmala. And then write first noun ma ajmala nujuma. Ma ma aj ma ajmalan nujuma. Ma ajmalan nujuma. Then number 3 is, student complete it quickly. Hazal qalamu rakhisun. This is simple sentence. In this sentence, in this sentence, adjective word is rakhisun. Rakhisun word change into arkhasa and use ma. Ma arkhasa. Ma arkhasa hazal qalama. How hazal qalama. How cheap this pen is. Okay. Now number 4. Al-lughatul arabiyyatu sahlatun. In this sentence, sahlatun is adjective. Sahlatun change into ma ashala. Ma ashala. How easy? Al-lughatul arabiyya. Al-lughatul arabiyyata. How easy Arabic language is. Then students, sentence number 5. An-nujumu kasiratun. Kasiratun what is adjective? Kasiratun what is adjective? Kasiratun change into aksara and use alaf ma. Ma aksara. Ma aksara. Ma aksara an-nujuma. Ma aksaran nujuma. Okay. Now students, we have completed 5. Now I am going to ask you and then I will write. Students raise hand. Participants only 24. Where are more? All are sleeping. Myra Rahbar first hand. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, walaikum salam betu. Have you understood this exercise? How change simple sentence into fele taajjub sentence, a verb of wonder. Now read sentence number 6 and change into fele taajjub sentence. Yes. Al-labanu hasanun. In this sentence, which word is adjective? Hasanun. Hasanun change into plural. Pattern of af'ala. Pattern of af'ala. Hasanun change into ahsana. Already written in your book in the bracket. Hasanun change ahsana. And before ahsana use ma. Ma ahsana. And then first noun will come. Labanunu, last harkat takes zabar harkat. Ma ahsanal labana. Ma ahsanal labana. How is, how good, how good milk is. Okay. Students, mashallah, very good. And her answer is correct. Now students, write all of you. Ma ahsana. Sentence number 5, 6. Sentence number 6. Ma ahsana. Hasanun change into ahsan. Before ahsan use all of you ma. Ma ahsana. And then write all of you first noun al-labana. Ma ahsana al-labana. Okay. Now sentence number 7. After Mahira Rabar, which hand? Yes, after Mahira Rabar, Maryam Ali. Maryam Ali. Yes, बेटो. कैफा हालुक? Have you understood this exercise? Now beta read sentence number 7 and change this sentence into फेले ताज्जुब. Yes. First of all, look at the adjective words. Which word is adjective here in this sentence? I am asking that which word is adjective in this sentence? A sayyara is adjective. Sayyara means car. This is adjective word. Sari'atun. Sari'atun is adjective word. Sari'atun change into asra'a. Sari'atun change into asra'a. Round ta is not there. And before asra'a use ma. Tell. No, beta. No, 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 no. You are not understanding. And I think that you are not on the group. Okay? That's why you are telling wrong. As-sari'atun change into asra'a. And before asra'a use ma. Ma asra'a hazihi sayyarata. This is answer. Write students in your notebook, in your book. Ma asra'a. Sentence number 7. So why you are telling wrong? You have written? I think that you have written wrong. Right, all of you? Okay, beta. Ma asra'a hazihi sayyara. Hazihi sayyarata. Okay? And then here, sign. Ma asra'a hazihi sayyara. How fast this car is. Now after, who is there? Yes. Maryam Ali after Falak Zareen. Falak Zareen. Falak Zareen. Not there. Falak Zareen not there. Faria Zainab. Faria Zainab. Now better read sentence number 8 and change into Fele Ta'ajjub sentence. Yes. Jamilun is adjective words. Jamilun change into Ajmala. Al अल कमरा, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, हसन, मुमताज, मुमताजा, वेरी गुड बेटू, हर आंसर इज करेक्ट। मा मा अजमलल कमरा, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। मा अजमलल कमरा, मा अजमलल कमरा, कमरा, देन साइंग एयर, मा अजमलल कमरा, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द मून इज, मा अजमलल कमरा, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द मून is. Now students, sentence number 9. Only 4 minutes are left. Write all of you. Ma awsakha ma awsakha hazal qamisa, hazal qamisa. And last is ma anzafa, ma ma anzafa hazal fasla. Students, now we have completed exercise number 6, फेले ताज्जुब।